Let me share with you some trends in the real estate market that the media doesn't want you to see. So let me share with you some ideas, but before we go there, subscribe right here, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up, show me some love, show me that you actually want to view more of those videos, because we work hard here with Team Landscape and we create 3 videos every single week for you to enjoy. I work here in Toronto, Canada, and I can tell you that the prices are not decreasing by 90% as the media has been telling us for now a few weeks. The media wants you to view it as, oh my god, the market is crashing 90%, but why are they really doing it? To get your attention. I am, as a professional real estate agent, I work almost every single day, and I'm seeing that the market is not decreasing by 90%. It doesn't even decrease by 2%. Why? Very simple. If I'm a seller and I think my home is worth $2 million as an example, why should I sell it for 1.5? I can just wait it out, wait until the better market, which could be eventually anyways. If it will be 6 months, a year or 2 years, it really doesn't matter. But if I can afford my home and I don't have to sell, I'm not going to sell it at a discount of 90%. It's just basic economics. Like, why would I do it? People are a bit confused whether prices are going to crash. And here is the real life example. There is a lack of inventory right now. There are sellers who decided not to go on the market. They decided not to sell. There's a lack of inventory, but there are a lot of buyers who are looking to buy. And it's not like they have a choice. They're desperate to buy something because they sold their existing home. So they need to move somewhere else and they need to buy. So the opposite actually happens. The prices are on the rise versus what the media tells us that it's going to crash. And I'm seeing it every single day where we're seeing bidding wars. We're seeing people going out and buying homes at higher prices than pre-COVID-19. I mean, the media doesn't tell you that because it will not sell, but I'm telling you because I care for you. Don't get me wrong, there are some parts in the world or in Canada or in the United States, wherever you are, that prices will decrease. Yeah, I get it. Some cases it will decrease. Why? Because there might be an excessive inventory that will come to the market now that Airbnb is no longer a way of traveling, because we all know traveling is going to be on hold for quite some time for a lot of people. And if, let's say, an investor has 2, 3, 4 properties that he used to Airbnb, now those are going to go on the market. But a smart person will understand that selling it cheaply does not make any sense, and they will sell it at what the fair market value is. So let's say they think the condo is worth $600,000, they will sell it for $600,000. They're not going to go on the market $400,000. But there's going to be more inventory, which is great for you because you will be an active buyer. You will find a dream home that you've been wanting to buy for the last few years, but never got the chance because you got outbid by higher offers from investors. If you have any other questions, please reach out in the comments below, DM me, get in touch with me. You know my number. Either call me, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, which you can just click right here, and let's communicate. Whatever you need, I'm always here for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.